I'm Jel and you're watching Joke Green Eyes, and today it's a new unboxing from Bellamy. Let's go! So if you don't know by now, I'm a supporter of Bruno Bellamy, a French comic artist, in his Tipeee, and he sends to his supporters at a certain level each month a package with ex-libris. So I've been unboxing them with you since a long time, and let's go for this one. Whoa! So he's been known to send me extras so I can make giveaways here. So if you want to get one of these ex-libris, just write it down below and I will ship it to you for free. But he also told me there is a small gift for me, so let's see. Right now this is this. It looks huge and super big. So okay, so this is the ex-libris of the month. I totally forgot. I thought she would be the Princess Peach. Can't remember. But so this is the one for March, for Easter, and she's amazing. I think it's still a Zelda pattern here on the dress, but really I love her. So each year for Easter she does a bunny, a Bellaminette bunny, and also I think one for Christmas and one for Valentine's Day. Anyways, this one is awesome, and of course it's numbered and signed, and so it looks like I have many. I do have many, so if you like it, let me know and I will ship it to you. Oh my god! Okay, wait. I've seen something. I'm not showing it to you right now. I was right. It was Princess Peach that he made for Valentine's Day, probably, I can't remember. Anyways, he was late in sending those, so he sent both ex-libris to me this month. So this is Princess Peach. She's amazing. I think she looks a lot like Sylpheline, who is another of his Bellaminette character. She was in a comic book I'll show it to you, and maybe it's the blonde hair or something, but I did not realize that when he was drawing it. Of course, you can always see the work in progress of all his work on his Tipeee and Facebook page and everything, so it's really amazing. If you love art, you can see how this art is made. You can really have all the steps and everything, and it's sometimes he even makes videos of how he does it, and so yeah, it's super gorgeous. So I have these two, yay! And I have a bunch of these. So if you want to get it, let me know. And so this is, and holy, this, oh my god, this is an original. And she's wearing a Lolita dress. And he drew that for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have ordered commissions from him in the past, and it's super expensive because he's a huge artist. So this is such a big deal. Oh my god, this is wow. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, this is watercolor, and yeah, this is an original. You can still see the paper it was drawn on. I'm voiceless. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing. I meant to order him some work lately again because I want to support him, but he drew this for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. I can't believe it. It's super gorgeous. I always love to see when it's done in pencil and watercolor and everything, because you can see all the details of every pencil and brush stroke. That's really amazing. Oh my god. So I don't know what to say. Oh my god. I'm so happy, and I'm super happy that he did that for me, and I'm super happy that my devotion to him and my love for his work and wanted to spread his work earned me this. And don't worry, I will continue to do that and share your work and everything that I can, because it's really amazing. So this person, Bruno Bellamy, is an amazing human being on top of being an amazing artist. So you really do want to support him. If you do like his work, please go see his Tipeee and go support him for like just $1 or $2 or euros per month. You can really start helping him and getting amazing perks. Oh my god, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Bruno. Merci infiniment. C'est incroyable. Merci, c'est trop beau. Ça me fait trop plaisir. Sorry for that tiny French bit here. So, oh my god. So this is what I got in one package today. All of this wonderful art and one original. So I will definitely showcase it and put it in a frame, and I will do that in a room where there's no light or not much light, because I really don't want the sunlight to destroy this amazing piece of art. It's so amazing. It's amazing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and I'm sorry for you guys if you've seen me crazy like that, but I mean, I've been a fan of his work since at least I was 15 or 13 or something like that. So it's been at least 20 years that I loved his work, and getting that kind of stuff in the mail every month is just amazing. I used to have to go in every single comic book places, and they had like a huge pile of ex-libris and originals and stuff, and look at all of them. And since it's not that famous, it was super hard to find things drawn by him. And so right now you can get art in your own mailbox. How cool is that? And also my 20 years of devotion manages to got me this, and I'm so thankful. Oh my god, I'm sorry about that. It's amazing. It's so amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you got the message. Go watch Bruno Bellamy in his Tipeee and his Facebook page. You'll find the link down there, and don't forget that you could win one of those by being the first person to comment that you want to get those for free as a giveaway. And see you soon. Bye bye.